The Concorde was the ultimate in international travel for more than 30 years. That supersonic age ended in 2003 after one of the Concordes crashed. 2 years ago, a French court found Continental Airlines criminally responsible for that tragedy. But as Mark Strassmann reports, that ruling has just been thrown out.
By the time the Air France Concorde lifted off in Paris, its left wing was already on fire. It was July 25, 2000. 109 passengers and crew had only minutes to live. The plane crashed into a hotel, killing 4 more people on the ground. Turns out, a 16-inch metal strip lying on the runway brought down the Concorde.
When the Concorde went over it, it hit the tire to a point where it then exploded. The parts of the tire then went up into the fuel tank like shrapnel.
The flying debris exploded the Concorde's fuel tanks. The metal piece that triggered the accident had fallen off a Continental DC-10 and been mistakenly installed by a Continental mechanic.
This was an accident. Why the French courts got involved and attempted to make a criminal case out of this, I will never understand.
French courts held Continental Airlines criminally responsible and convicted its mechanic of manslaughter. But now a French appeals court has overturned that ruling, saying the mistake made by the Continental mechanic did not amount to a crime. The Concorde itself had safety design flaws with its landing gear and wings, issues known before the crash. Its fuel tanks also had too little protection against flying debris. The French appeals court said political pressure had kept the Concorde flying too long.
Accidents are never one thing. They're actually a chain of events.
The Air France crash also killed the era of supersonic commercial air travel. In 2003, the entire Concorde fleet was retired. For CBS This Morning, Mark Strassmann, Atlanta.